Hi, I'm Joe from Snake River Pool and Spa, and I want to say congratulations on taking delivery of your new Limelight Collection hot tub from Hot Spring Spas. In this video, I'm going to be going over the startup process for the freshwater salt system and the freshwater IQ monitor. So you may want to save this video as both of those startup processes will be needed each time you drain and refill your new hot tub. If your screen is black, I normally recommend pressing the back button to get that screen to turn back on. From here, to get into our sensor options, we're going to go ahead and press the big options button, and then we'll press water care, next, and sensor. We want to make sure that this says off, so if it does, you can go ahead and press the back button, but if it does say on, go ahead and press this interior button here next to it to turn it off. Once your IQ system is off, we'll go ahead and press back, and we're now going to go into the salt system. To get there, you'll press next, salt system, and we'll want to increase this level to a 10 for the first 24 hours. And you can do this by pressing this interior button next to level once each time until you get to the number 10. Now, your water will need to remain balanced for the first 24 to 48 hours before we can turn the IQ sensor back on, but you are welcome to use your new spa in the meantime. And to help you keep your water balanced during that time, please feel free to send a picture of a test strip to your salesperson so that they can give you the proper dosages and products to add to your water if anything needs changed. Once your salesperson has given you the green light, we can go ahead and turn the IQ system back on. To do this, we'll press Options, Water Care, Next, Sensor, and press this interior button to turn the sensor back on. Now that your freshwater IQ system is turned back on, it is ideal that we keep the water balanced for the next 24 to 48 hours. And again, please feel free to send pictures of your test strips to your salesperson if you need help on keeping it balanced. After that 24 to 48 hours of your freshwater IQ monitoring system being on, you can now enjoy the most optimal water every day with pH, chlorine, and salt diagnostics and recommendations available right there at your fingertips. Lastly, if you ever have questions in regards to your new hot spring spa, please reach out to your salesperson or any member of the spa team, as we are more than happy to help as we strive to provide the absolute best ownership experience possible for our customers. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy your new hot spring spa.